I recently received this MaisoNovo. They have 2 bottles. They're in the color black. I'm actually going to do an unboxing with you and show you what to expect when you receive your box. So let's go ahead and open it up. Very nice packaging. I like that both the bottles, well, first and foremost, let's talk about the thank you note on the inside. Very, very nice, very thoughtful. And it does say that our labels are inside. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up and then just show you. The cool thing is that you could follow them and scan the QR code for their extended warranty. And then I'm going to show you the stickers that also come inside of here. So just kind of like an extended warranty. And then I do like that this was included because not all of us have like a label maker. So it does give you different options, a different variety depending on what your style is, what colors, maybe like you want to mix and match, or you want to match them to what you already have as far as your decor. So this is also included. So I do like that it has the hand soap, face wash, hand soap. So just different styles and what it says on there. Or you could just go simple and do the hand soap. I actually like these, very, very nice and simple, but it's a bigger sticker. So I do like that that was included. That's really cool. And then also these little stickers. Take a look. All right, so I'm going to show you the bottles themselves. I do like how they were packaged. Very nice, preventing them from getting damaged throughout the delivery. Let me go ahead and take it out. Very nice material. Take a look. They do have a variety of colors available. These are in the solid black color. I'm gonna go ahead and, so you're able to pump. The pump works very nice, very long little pump right there. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up just to show you what that looks like. So nice bottles. Very, very nice. And there's 2 of them. So again, you could use one for hand soap, it says hand soap and the face wash. And then also included at the very bottom is the base. So you actually want to put these on the little base. Nice ceramic thick base. Take a look. So once you label your bottles, depending on which one you're going to use, then nicely put both of them on their little base. So I do like that everything is all in one in here. Take a look. Very nice. They look very elegant. And again, depending on what label you choose, just simply lay it on top of it and then you're all set. Overall, great quality, great looking product. Great packaging. I would definitely recommend. 10 out of 10.